Gracie is up here on the table. She wants to say hi. Let's see if I can get her up. Oh, being left-handed is not easy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Today I did a vote on my Instagram. If you follow me on there, you already know the situation, but if you don't, I'm just gonna stand up and show you. I decided to break my elbow on Easter, and it hurts. It's not enjoyable. It is getting better, which is good, but it does hurt a bit. So I thought it'd be really funny to try to attempt my makeup with my left hand because I am right-handed. And I did a poll on Instagram, and literally 100% of people said that they wanted me to make a fool out of myself. So here I am making a fool out of myself because what else do I have to do with my life? Okay, first things first, I need to like clip this hair back. Let's see if I can do this on one swap. This is like the most uncomfortable and hardest thing to do. I am not excited to try this. So I've been using this Got To Be gel as like my I've been using this as my kind of go-to eyebrow gel kind of stuff. It is like super cheap and really like you get a shit ton in there. Ugh, I can already feel this going so south so fast. I feel like it's so weird because like when I fractured my elbow, which is also a super funny story. I was trying to be the cool aunt and it totally backfired in me. So when I fractured my elbow, what I was doing was I was trying to leave Easter treats out for my nieces, and I tried to ding-dong ditch their house. And of course it snowed the night before, and I didn't see that there was like a big pile of ice sitting on their sidewalk, which I should have known because I know that they always have a problem with like ice building up there. And we live like literally right beside each other. We share a duplex. And yeah, and I just went to go run away after I rang the doorbell, and I slipped and I landed on my elbow. Nobody saw me open it because I got up so fast. And my sister-in-law said she was like super impressed about how fast I got up because she did not see anything. Okay, this is gonna be not fun. I am already not enjoying this. I feel like I don't know how to do makeup anymore. My brows are so uneven. Okay, you know what? Good enough. Good enough for the brows. We're going for a natural look anyways. Because your girl's hella not doing glam today, I can tell you that. Why is this so dang hard? Oh my god, even you patting your face with a... Oh, this is just so uncomfortable right now. It's just so weird adjusting to having to do everything with your left. We're going for real natural today because I literally cannot do anything right now. I mean, patting your face with a beauty blender isn't so hard. I know what's going to be really hard is when I go in and do my eyeshadow. That's what's going to be hard. I'm going to use this Becca print. You know, you really like learn to appreciate what you have until you don't have it anymore. I have to go in for next week to see if like I need an actual cast. I don't know why they couldn't cast it in the hospital. I think with elbows you need like a specialist. I have no idea though. The doctor was like so high strung when I was there because he had like people yelling at him left, right, and center, and I felt so bad, so I just wanted to get out of there. I waited in the hospital for like 4 hours just to get an x-ray on my elbow just for them to tell me it's fractured and give me a sling. The emergencies, I felt so bad. Just like there was women in there, like there was this old lady in there that was like screaming at this doctor, and I was just like, if you just tell me what's really like what's wrong, I'll get out of your hair. Like I did not want to be there any more than like he wanted to be there. Yeah, but I felt so bad. Like even the nurse, like she was talking to her and she's like, people just can be like so rude, and I felt so bad. Oh god, I just made an entire mess out of my pump. Okay, we got this. We got this, guys. Going for the glowy look today. Nothing's like blending properly. I love this foundation because it literally feels like water on your face. Like it's so hydrating. And it just gives like the perfect sheen when I'm not wanting an intense coverage kind of foundation. Because usually I let the concealer do all the coverage and then I like more sheer foundations. I just love my freckles lately. I've really been trying to embrace my freckles. I used to like struggle. I hated my freckles for like the longest time, and I always wanted to get like the Fraxel treatment. It's a laser treatment and it takes them off. Now I'm kind of like, you know what? They're a part of me. It's kind of like I have like these weird like birthmark mole things like everywhere too. I have one on my eye right here. And I was always like so self-conscious about them because I have them all over my body. But you know what? You just learn to love who you are. And that is all you can do. Because I am who I am and I can't change it, unfortunately. I'm klutzy and I always will be. I'm glad I can laugh about it. It is a really funny way to like break your elbow, like slipping on ice. Like ding dong ditching your niece's house. Like it's just funny to me. I'm just trying to have a good laugh about it, and it's all you can do. I feel like the world's like just such like on edge right now that it was just funny the way it happened. My mom was like so upset at me because I'm like dying laughing, and like she's like, you need to go to the hospital. So the best part is like I went to my other niece and my nephew's house and I like dropped off chocolates and stuff, and then I like went to go to the hospital because I was like, okay, yeah, this is gonna be hard to blend with my left hand. I feel like I'm just like moving the foundation around on my face. Like that's all I feel like I'm doing right now. This is, oh my god. I want to say like, how do you lefties do it? But you guys are just so used to this. Oh my god. This is just a whole new ball game for me. My arm's already sore. My biggest concern with like me breaking my elbow is like I better be able to do makeup. Like I better be able to do makeup the same. On the plus side though, it is a good thing I like broke it now and not like later into bridal season when I can't lift my arm. Thank God, even though most of my weddings are like rescheduled this year because of the corona. Alright, so we're gonna go in with Hourglass. I can kind of unscrew stuff with my right, so I'm going to take advantage of that because this makeup look is already going to turn out not to my standards. Also, I've learned one thing about my Instagram followers is you guys just love watching me make a fool out of myself. And it's so funny because that is just like who I am. I'm just so used to being like made fun of, I guess. Not like made fun of, but I'm usually like the jokester. Okay, so I'm going to take Milani Baked Bronzer in Dolce. See what that one looks like. You guys know I use this one all the time. Bronzer is like a little bit forgiving because this would just be awful. I feel like I don't know how to do circles with my left. This is my first time doing my makeup since I fractured my elbow, and it like kind of feels good. I've been feeling like super down and like in the dumps lately because of like the elbow and like this whole corona thing, and then it's like every day I have a bride messaging me like canceling her wedding, and I'm like it's just so sad because I know how my brides were like looking forward to their big wedding days, and I don't know, I feel so bad for them. This is the Flower Blush in Peach Primrose. I'm going to take that on my favorite blush brush. This is the Morphe R4. Oh yeah, she's got some color. I feel like blush is just one of those things, like you can't ever screw up the formula. Like I feel like it's just, I've never had a blush that I didn't like, you know what I mean? As long as it gives up some color to the skin, I'm like, she cute. Like every blush does like their own thing, but I like a blushy nose. So I'm going to go in and attempt to do my eyeballs. I'm going to, oh, this hair is just so atrocious. So I'm going to take this Studio One eyeshadow palette. Okay, I'm going to go into the shade right there, and I'm going to put that into my crease. Okay, moment of truth, I'm not excited for this. Guys, this is so hard. I feel like I have no control. Oh, this is just sheer awfulness. I've never, like, struggled to do my makeup like this. Oh my god. I have such like a first world problem. Like, I'm just like so upset about not being able to do like my makeup properly. And then there's like Corona. I've also been like stuck in my house for like way over a month now. And I'm gonna go crazy. The only time I left was like to go to the hospital and to the grocery store. Okay, I'm gonna take a smaller brush and just go into that dark brown that's in the middle right there. And I'm going to try, oh, this is not gonna work though. I'm gonna try to like blend that. It looks way better on camera than it does in person. I'm just gonna pat it. If you pat it, yeah, that one worked on that eye. Okay. Okay. We're on to something. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with those transition shades and just blend that sucker out. If I can. I'm struggling. I mean, that's not like awful. It's like super patchy and like not properly blended to my standards, but we're making moves. Oh, that one blended out way better. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with that dark shade and I'm just gonna put a little on my lower lash line, just on the outer corner. And then we're just gonna blend that out with that transition shade. Oh my lord. Brad, I swear I can do makeup really, really good. This is so hard. You know, that eye actually didn't turn out too bad. I'm going to take the center copper shade in this palette and I'm going to put that all over my lid. I'm just going to use my finger and just tap it on. Ooh, I actually really like that color. It's like a coppery bronze. So pretty. Okay, okay, she's blown out. I'm going to take a small brush and I'm going to go into this first shade right here, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone and my inner corner. You know what, I actually thought this challenge would be much harder. Okay, never mind, I lied. It is actually really hard, especially just because you're like not used to like using your left, and I feel like I have no control with my left. Do we want to see me attempt eyeliner? Do I want to attempt eyeliner? I go in with my, I have to bring this mirror closer so I can actually be frame and do this. Oh god, I'm not excited. Oh god, oh god. Okay, shit's about to get real, guys. Okay. Oh. Oh. Huh. I kind of got it. Guys, I think I kind of got it. The wing looks a little ratchet, but oh ho ho. Guys, I'm doing it. Not easily, but I am doing it. You know what's funny is I can literally see like a couple of my friends saying like I can still do my makeup better than them with their right, because they always come to me with makeup advice. And like there was this one time with Sienna, I was at her house and she was throwing a party and a bunch of her friends were like in the bathroom getting their makeup ready because we all went up like the night before the party. Oh, I just completely fucked that up. Fuck. Oh, do I try to fix it with this one? I don't know. I'm just gonna take a moment of silence for this messed up eyeliner. I should have stopped. Stop while you're ahead, guys, because that's... This is the most whack eyeliner I think I've ever done. But anyways, my friend Sienna was like, they're all in the bathroom doing their makeup, and I was like sitting there watching them, talking to them all. and they were just all like, get out, because they felt so critiqued. It was really funny. I always like bug Sienna every time she's like at my house doing her makeup or something. She gets really mad at me. It's so funny. This eyeliner is just so whack. Ow. I don't even want to wear eyelashes. Where am I going? I'm literally going to my kitchen. Should I attempt it? Okay guys, I'm gonna attempt it. Just because for the sake of this video, I'm going to take a chance and I will do this. Great struggle. Okay, even putting glue on is hard as hell. Alright, glue is on the lashes. I'm just gonna let those sit for a couple minutes. I'm going to put some highlighter on my face. We're gonna go with my signature Rodeo Drive because this is my ride or die highlight. Like, I absolutely love this highlighter. Ooh, she glowy. I kind of started liking to bring my highlighter like down further on my cheeks, so like when you smile you see it a lot. It's actually turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. I was actually thinking like I was going to be completely helpless. Okay, lash in. Oh my god. Oh my god. I did it. Guys, I just placed that lash with my left hand and it looks like perfect. Oh, no. Oh, okay, okay. She ain't playing. Oh, there we go. Yes! I did it. You know that like TikTok where it's like, girl, don't do it. I'm like, girl, I'm not doing it. And then you're like, I did it. That's how I feel right now. We're gonna use a automatic mister. Good old Jeffree Star always got my back. I am like, this reminds me of my childhood. I don't know why, but the fake strawberries, it smells like those like Barbie dolls. There used to be one that was like strawberries or a Bratz doll or something. One of them was scented and it smells exactly like this, just like plastic strawberries. Doesn't smell very good. I don't really like the spray on this one either. Like I feel like, or the formula is more like sticky. Okay, we're gonna try the lips. Let's. Oh, this is the Morphe lip liner in Backseat Love. I really actually enjoy these lip liners. I gotta get some for my kit because I do really enjoy them, and for the price, like they're so affordable. I just gave up. I can't. Okay, this is the Essence nude lipstick, and I'm pretty sure this one is in the shade, well this is barely there, but I think this is like their nude line. But I really enjoy this color. It's kind of like a pinky mauve-y. I've been really loving mauve colors lately. That is one thing. This lipstick is just an absolute wreck right now. Alright guys, that is my makeup. The eyeliner is definitely whack. But you know what? For a girl with the left hand, I'm actually like I actually don't mind the brows. They aren't as like precise as I would usually like, and like I said, this one I wish I could fill in more, but I can't do it. And the eyeliner just did not turn out good for me at all, but yeah, other than that, I don't think I did too bad. I'm just waiting for all the hate comments that I get on this video. So many I'm expecting. That is it, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I hope you had a great laugh out of this video, because I did. Definitely saw what I was potentially capable of doing, so that's good. If you like this video, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit that notification bell to get notified every time I do upload a video. I'm trying to be better. I have a full vault of videos that I have. I'm just too lazy to post them, so I'm just going to have a bunch of videos and I'm just going to post them as I go, kind of thing. But yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.